Hi guys, it's been a while, never talked before, but today we're gonna be we're gonna be oh my god, we're gonna be opening and doing the first impression of our Barbie doll. Are you excited as I am? Never had a Barbie doll. Had Veronica. Sorry, Vera. No, I mean, yeah, let's do it. So it's me again. It's been already many hours and I still didn't open it. If you didn't notice, I was like not so energetic this morning, but now I already had dinner, I worked out, I'm like boosting of energy. Probably will be up till 4 in the morning. So I'm ready to open it. Let's talk about what I got, what kind of Barbie it is. So maybe if I was like little girl, I probably would get something like a beach Barbie or rollerblades Barbie. But since I'm not there anymore and I really don't care about those kind of girls, this is a super cool Barbie. And to give you a little hint, it's like go back to 90s, George Michael music video, a bunch of models in the bus stop, on the podium, just like cool girls. So this is where the inspiration came from. I wouldn't say I'm a fan of this model, but she's probably the only one who has a Barbie doll, so that's the one I got. And in terms of fashion, I wouldn't say this is my favorite fashion designer, but also she has some cool dresses, some cool fashion shows. So the one that I got is a Claudia Schiffer Barbie in a Versace gown. This is like super duper cool Barbie. This is the box it came in. It's like, it looks neat. It looks like the real Barbie is inside. Are you ready to open it and look at it with me? Let's do it. I got my box cutter ready and we're gonna open it right now. So it's pink, for the occasion. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what's inside. So there is some more papers. There is like let's see how easy it is. I don't know, the faces I make, the struggle, but it just doesn't want to go out. Meet the mama. Drum roll. The paper came out a little torn, so I can see like a little sneak peek of a hand. Oh my god. Okay, let's do it. Let's take a toy. Ta-da! This is Claudia Schiffer in a box in a Versace gown. Okay. Alright, let's take a close look now because I opened a little bit more. I got this. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure, like, there are some details. I don't know what to do. Is it probably... not sure. Maybe you put it something like this. Maybe you stick a Barbie to it and put it on a pedestal. But I probably will have to Google it because I didn't see any instruction what to do with this. There is also a certificate that claims that this Barbie is real, that it was made in collaboration with artists, designers, and the Mattel. Mattel is the one who produced Barbie dolls. So maybe it's real, not sure. It's 1,255 out of 5,000. So wow, 5,000. That's cool. I got it on eBay. I found it still, so I'm not sure if this is real or not, but hopefully it is. So I managed to take out this out of the box. I didn't rescue the doll yet. I'm gonna do it right now. So let's see. And all like these details, they were in this bag behind the doll. So I'm taking out, trying to be gentle, but maybe not so gentle. Maybe I should be a little bit more gentle with this girl, but let's do it. Let's see. Got one hand out. The dress looks beautiful. The dress looks like something Donatella Versace would do. So the other way to find out if it's authentic or not was to look at the back of the head, which not there yet. I don't know how to. I probably will need scissors to. I need scissors. Okay, check this out. I got one hand. It says hello. Another one. Mishka is here. Mishka is finally here. Check it out. He's curious. Mishka, say hello. Okay, so keep doing what we started. Okay, another hand is, oops, it's a little twisted. I don't know what I did, but something looks wrong. It looks like this Barbie got her hand broken. No, okay, this is it. So here's another hand. Hello, hi Ken, hi Mishka. Mishka doesn't care. He's just like that. So it's like a lot of going on in here. I probably will need, like, if you're impatient, you probably would tear this dress apart, because there are, like, if you can see, there's some, like, it's attached to the box. It's it's like a surgical work to get her out. So what do I, as I'm looking at this girl right now, what do I think? Does she look like Claudia Schiffer or not? Let's be real, she doesn't look like Claudia Schiffer. My imagination of what Claudia Schiffer would look like would be a little more fair, and this girl definitely has some tan. So I don't know. Box cutter again, and let's try to rescue her from this. Ouch. Okay. Next one. Meanwhile, Mishka is attacking the box. Look at him. Check it out. He's already in the box. He's gonna, yeah. Hi, Mishka. Hi, Mishka. This Barbie doesn't have a can, but she has a Mishka. Mishka is not gonna let it go. Okay. That's a precise. Oh, wow. She has very nice shoes. She has something I would wear in 2005. Well, you know, I wear sneakers only last 5 years, but in 2005, 2006, even in 2007, this is the type of shoe I would wear casually to school, to party, to just go to a grocery store, you know. If anyone knows me those years, you probably saw those shoes. So one more piece of dress. So there were, like, I don't know, 5 stitches attached to the box. So I'm not sure if I damaged the dress or not. I hope not. It's a very beautiful dress. Wow. No, it definitely feels like Versace gone. Okay. So I have to rescue her feet to show you those shoes. So bear with me. Be patient. She also has something attached to her knee. I don't know. Maybe she has a broken leg, or maybe there is some message for me. Like a message in a bottle. So this is like a message in a Barbie doll. Okay. A few more incisions, and this Barbie is free. Okay. Yeah. So you see, she has something here. Like, there is some message there. Can't wait to read it. And as you can see, look at these shoes. This is like a super cool fancy shoe. It's a high heel, something I don't wear anymore, but back in the day, yeah. Okay, let's keep on going. Got another leg out, so her legs are out. She is like ready to dance. Ta-da! Now I think I only have her head, and I have a few things at the back. I don't know if you can see. You can't see what's going on, but she's attached in 20 different places. It's a very hard. Okay, I think I got it. Her hair is rolled. I don't know, it's very weird, but maybe when I rescue her from this rubber bands, it will look nice. So she has at least 3 things stuck to her head that I need to cut. I hope I'm not gonna cut her hair or like damage her head. Poor girl. What she has to go through, huh? Okay. So I got it out and I can feel it, it's in her head. I need to get it out. I wonder if it's like all the way inside of her head or just in her hair. No. Okay. A few more rubber bands here. Okay. I got her completely out of this box. She's free. So you see, like, the hair doesn't look fantastic. I have to do something about it. Like, it feels like a hairspray. I don't know. Maybe they put something into her hair, so it's... I don't know. As you can see, my hair is like all fluffy. Like a, I don't know, like a what? Obviously, I don't use a hairspray, so I don't know what's going on here. Maybe you would. Okay. Also, she has these things in her head that I just detached from the box, and it feels like I'm checking for a fleece or something. So her head looks very weird. Like, this is very weird. I don't know. You think it's a real Barbie or could be... So yeah, they said look at the back of her head. There is definitely some signs that this could be a real Barbie, but I don't know. She, like, her scalp look brown. Why? Why is her scalp looks brown? Maybe it's her roots. Maybe, like, you know, here it looks darker. Maybe that's what's going on outside. I don't know. But I mean, yeah, there are like the things that attach her to the box. They come out from inside of your head. I'm not gonna take it out. I can only like cut it a little more. This is very bizarre, super bizarre. And then this part here is also no, so there is a rubber band under her dress that also attached her to the box. I don't know, I'm gonna need some brush and I'm gonna need to do something with her hair. Yeah. I got you, Barbie. I got you, Claudia. I'm gonna fix you up. You're gonna be... your hair is gonna be fine. I just need to wash it and need to style it a little bit differently because this is like... What is this? Like, seriously, what is this? This is a Claudia Schiffer. This is Versace. What is this? And, like, what are these bumps? What's going on in here? I can move your head. Yeah, everything else looks real. The only thing that's weird is the hair, the color of her skull. Which probably, what I said it is. So the dress also is stitched together. It's not like you can take it out. I don't know. It does say on the box that you're not supposed to play with this doll. It's like a collection item that you have to put on the shelf, but I'm gonna play with this doll, you know? Not gonna, like, I have to fix her hair. I'm gonna take this dress out and see what's going on under. Ooh. No, I mean, I can see Donatella Versace style. Like, she put a sleeve under. Like, it's not just a cheap dress. This is, like, mega expensive dress. And the shoes. I would love for these shoes to be able to remove these shoes, but I don't think you can take them out. Actually, maybe you can. Maybe you can. There are some things, like, you can see right here. I think you can take it out with, like, some effort. I'm not gonna do it right now, but maybe it's possible. Now let's read what's here. Let's take it out, and that will be it for today. Maybe tomorrow I'll show you more how I fix your hair. Maybe in a month, who knows. Okay, what we got here? I got some message in the Bible for you. Okay. So there is nothing there. It's just empty paper. I don't know why. Why would they put it in? I probably will ask Google. Her legs bent. I mean, I've seen a Barbie before, and I think this is a bit different, but maybe not. Maybe I was too little to... Maybe I can't recollect, but... Okay, forget about the back of your hair. Check Versace is beautiful. Just need to fix your hair. That's all. And the dress is stunning. I would definitely wear this dress. And the shoes to some event. Look at this. Look how hot. The legs. Super skinny. Wow. Okay. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.